Doing the job properly should be straightforward.
With our years of experience, we have figured out easy ways to avoid those little mistakes that really affect the quality and outcome of your project.
Simply picking up a wood stain off the shelf without advice could be your first big mistake. So let's find out more about your timber.
What condition is your exterior timber in? Is it brand new? Is it old and weathered? Are there patchy areas of wear and tear? Is it dry and splitting? Are you unsure what's previously been used on the timber?
Our team are here to answer questions like, how do I keep the timber looking new? How do I bring back the original colour? Can I stain over what's already there?
Think about how you would like your timber to look. Would you like it to look like its natural form? Would you like to change the colour? Or would you prefer a slight sheen on your timber?
Different products have different features and different appearances. Water-based Hames Express or Uvex will give you an elegant sheen, as will the oil-based Sickens HLS.
Whereas Q-Tech oils will give you a natural oiled appearance and can be used as a clear. All products will protect the timber for varying lengths of time depending on exposure. We will discuss all options with you to work out what's going to be best for your timber now and in the future.
Maintenance will then be easy, and with the support of our free ongoing timber care program, you'll never go wrong again.
This means your timber will maintain its look and value for years to come.
Great products, great advice equals great results.
So if you'd like your exterior timber always looking fresh and healthy, let us help you get on the right track.
At Crockers, consider the job already done.